1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's get it. Looking for a phone ring holder that's actually strong and reliable? The Syncwire MagSafe phone ring holder is built with powerful N55 magnets that keep your phone locked in place, even with just one finger. And when you use the included metal ring, the magnetic hold becomes up to 5 times stronger. What makes it stand out is the double-sided magnetic design. You can snap it right onto a MagSafe car mount without removing the ring, or attach it to metal surfaces like your fridge, gym equipment, or even your kitchen counter. On its own, it holds up to 3 pounds, and with the metal ring, it handles an impressive 10 pounds, all tested by Syncwire Labs. For comfort and flexibility, the ring rotates 360 degrees and flips 90 degrees, giving you the perfect viewing angle whether you're watching videos, video calling, or just scrolling. It's been tested to withstand over 6,000 folds, so it's built to last. And here's something unique. You'll love the gear click design. Every rotation gives a satisfying click that locks it in place while doubling as a stress reliever. The flat bottom design keeps your phone stable on any surface, and the easy pull groove makes flipping out the ring effortless. From commuting to cooking, working at your desk, or relaxing at home, this ring holder makes life hands-free, stylish, and super convenient. Inside the box, you'll get the Syncwire MagSafe ring holder, 2 extra metal rings, a positioner, user manual, plus up to 36 months warranty. To get this, please scan QR code or click the link given in the description. Don't forget to hit subscribe and tap the bell so you never miss our new videos. Thanks a ton for watching.